Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya Putri Ayu Anggraini dengan NIM 208190019 dan teman kelompok saya Irna, Junia, Hastuti. Kami dari kelompok 9 kelas 4C Tadris Matematika Fakultas Tarbiyah dan Keguruan Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Toha S.Pd Jambi. Baiklah, pada video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan reading textbook Mathematics Application and Concept pada chapter 9. Baiklah, langsung saja kita mulai. Lesson 9 to 8 Matrix. What you will learn: use matrices to organize data. New vocabulary: matrix, row, column, element, dimension. When I am ever going to use this, whether the record temperatures for each continent are listed in the table below. This is table record temperatures. Number 1. How many continents are listed? Number 2. How many temperatures are given for each continent? Number 3. What does the number 129 represent? Number 4. What does the number 136 represent? The table above have row and column of data. A rectangular arrangement of numerical data is called a matrix. This matrix has 2 columns, and this matrix has 7 rows. Each number in a matrix is called an element. This element is in the 6th row and the 2nd column. A matrix is described by its dimension of the number of rows and columns. With the number of rows stated first, the dimension of this matrix are 7 by 2. Next, example. Identify dimension and element. Number 1. Set the dimension of matrix. Then, in the table fill the position of the chosen element. The matrix has 2 rows and 4 columns. The dimension of the matrix are 2 by 4. The chosen element is in the first row and the 3rd column. Your turn. State the dimension of each matrix. Then, identify the position of the chosen element. Matrix A, B, and C. If two matrices have the same dimension, you can add or subtract them. To do this, add, subtract corresponding element of the two matrices. Example: add and subtract matrix. Add or subtract if there is no sum or difference where impossible. This matrix add and subtract matrix 2, 3, 4. The first matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. The second matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. Since the matrix do not have the same dimension, it is impossible to subtract them. Your turn. Add or subtract if there is on sum or different where impossible. Number D 2A. Cukup sekian pembahasan pada video kali ini. Selanjutnya akan dibahas oleh Irna, Junia, Hastuti. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan baik dalam penyampaian maupun maupun pengucapan. Saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.